Alright, so we are on our way to Arbor Hills Nature Preserve with hiking trails for Jumper. We're going to have a picnic in the park. He's got some greens, some carrots, some raspberries, and some cilantro. So we're about to go have a picnic in the park and go to the nature reserve. You ready, Jumper? Welcome to Arbor Hills Nature Preserve. And that is Jumper. Say hi, Jumper. Alright, so picnic in the park with Jumper. And he don't want nothing to do with that food. Knucklehead.
You can't climb the wall.
I would put it past him. Where you going?
Where you going? Hi. Hello down there.
Just don't let me run into anything. You having fun, Jumper? Huh? See all these trees? Yay, Jumper! He's a flying dragon. You a flying dragon? Alright, so this is Arbor Hills Nature Preserve in Plano, Texas. This is where we brought Jumper today. He's right there. So we are going down on these nice wooded trails, which is a lot of fun, especially for me, being from New Hampshire. This is the closest I can get. Alright, so we're walking by this river. You can see the trail's a little bit close to the edge there. The Jumper don't care. He's on Mommy's shoulder. Hi, Jumper. Hi, Jumper. Hi, buddy. There we go. Listen to that peaceful sound of the stream, too. What you think, buddy? Huh? What you think? Is it a good place to relax? Imagine what this place looks like in the summertime. I bet it's even 10 times more beautiful with all the leaves in. Right now it's just stunning as it is. What's Jumper doing? Hey, way back there with Sarah. Hi, Jumper. Hi.
Hello, everybody.
You having fun on the trails? Huh? I know, it's starting to get green. Yeah.
I see a squirrel.
Oh, squirrel! Look at the squirrel! Run, little squirrel! Run, little squirrel! Look at that, buddy. Nice little fort for the kids. How's that, huh? These trails up here are beautiful.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. If any of y'all live here near in Dallas area, you got to come up here. It's Arbor Hills Nature Preserve in Plano. It's absolutely beautiful. We found Jumper a tree. There you go, buddy. Want to climb? You gonna climb today? There's your tree. Look how long it is. Look at him, look at me. Like, what? What? Huh? What, buddy? You're not gonna take a walk? Take a stroll on the tree? Come Come on, you love to climb. What's up with this? Yeah, see the bug? I know, you'd like to grab that up. Sorry. This is one of the views of the stream here at Arbor Hills. Teresa, grab Jumper and bring him up here. I wanted to see this. I know Sarah won't. What do you think of that view, Jumper? Get a little closer. It ain't gonna fall, trust me. There you go. What do you think, Jumper? Huh? Isn't that pretty? Yeah? Alright. Come on, buddy.
Somebody had like some
Hey, this Jumper. See all that water? Okay. Now this is a beautiful place. Nice and peaceful. You can hear birds. Now look at how this trail's just got a little bit of seeds. Oh, there's another squirrel. Hello, squirrel.
Squirrel's here.
Another butterfly. Yeah, nature is beautiful. How can you not love nature? Hi, squirrel. Hello, little squirrel. See, squirrel?